What's up, guys? Your boy Gaze, and I'm here with
Algazano.
Yes, sir. We're back
Thirsty.
with another song. Remember, this life tune.
Yeah, boy.
Yes, sir. Secondary school. Only change secondary school.
Yeah.
Timbonzo tena gachitishiba secondary school.
Abandona
But you know, like, kuna zvakawanda futi. Kuna chinja kazungiriro ichi.
Kupana kusungirira nezviripo.
Nezviripo futi.
Yeah, zviriko.
Secondary school. So let's get straight into the video, guys. I would like it and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what you think of Risk Life 2 album. Amazing. Or comment a favorite song and album. Yes, sir. Let's go.
Yeah. 10. Secondary school.
Timmy on the track.
My gun beat. Hey, it's been a while. This feel so.
Zane.
Yeah.
90.
I've been bitter since secondary school. Fine bitter, fine chera, we and codes. Nya zachi wangu zakapera za news. Zochkisa when a man is abused. Zochkisa when a man is confused. Anopedza ava impulsive. Casual sex life, random indulgent. All at the same time, 100,000 reasons to give up. Shashota, inzara, I just get higher. Ungemota, impala, mahora, indaba, inews. Kwesekana holy akabre. Headline, bora rakangopinda mate. Been bitter since.
You know what? I wouldn't split up about. You know, I wouldn't deep that email type of thing is like old holy.
But about my and the beat is slowly coming in. I can produce a beat, but the way he's writing the beat is crazy.
It's crazy.
So
Yeah,
the way
low key, low key rap. Yeah,
News, kwesekana holy akabre. Headline, bora rakangopinda mate. Been bitter since secondary school. Kana mchindeziva king tambira ikure cause deep feel randopinda wangu hari gumi. Please chill kana chifunga nyoka hadzirume. Gozi hairasike address. Muroi haaratidziwe mess. Wangu tinga kite test. Pada kutoshedzera nebase. Kuti msita ravo baba ndiregedze. Satan amai misi aifanana. Aikona kubwaira kana zvinhu zvisingabalana. Daira kana izwi rakudanana.
yeah, this is this is basically Darimiro part 2.
Exactly.
This is exactly Darimiro part 2.
Exactly.
It's a life story. It's a life story basically.
And I like my life story, like how he write my life story. I think that's my narrator. Nice one, nice way teaching as well.
Yeah, it's a life story that people relate to.
Yeah, ndo kwanopedza.
Yeah, I have no doubt.
I have no doubt.
Afro boy, but
Oh, Jolly, ndo kwake.
yeah.
So yeah.
Hama dzangu mota idzi manake. Asi musarombe, musakaraje. Peka majombo, kana usina salari. Maiwe ii zvakadhakwa zvivindi zvemasity girl.
Usarombe. Peka jombo kana usina salari.
Chero unayo
futi.
because salary
Because it depends on salary yacho. Haikuwani salary yacho. But wakopiwa oningana usina salary zvako pana usatombofunga 2 or 3. Don't risk. Usariski. Anyways, but mawani.
Aupinda divas.
So todaro.
Kama jombo, kana usina salari. Maiwe ii zvakadhakwa zvivindi zvemasity girl. Vakamwana makwa, vanotipa tipindeo. Rakadamba zimwana rako iromelo.
Mwanangu.
Rakadamba
Rakadamba zimwana rako iromelo.
Yeah. Azichiko na
That is what Poma, like the album abashe one song anotara zingoriso so because Risk Life one foot.
Of course,
I'm trying to think it's so
holy has to be holy.
And
holy has to be holy.
speak of the truth.
It has to be
Bit
holy.
of it.
Chero musingade kuzvinzwa matozvinzwa.
You know.
Chero mukarwadziwa sei matozvinzwa.
Matozvinzwa.
Uchaita sei?
Hapana. Anyways, Mawan.
Bazi mwana rako iromelo. Warakatamba zi mwana rako iromelo. When the truth gets raw, then they have to pick a fight. But in ini, I'm sure I need 10 gigabytes. Sema nudes. Ted shiti akachila nasi ane flu. But it's
Ayo, Vira.
What's that drive? 10 gig. Guys, you don't understand. 10 gig. That's a large space in. Like 10 gig. My picture, guy. Just pictures. I got my pictures on that name. 30k, 50k.
Honestly, if like a Visa card and credit cards were a thing in Zimbabwe, they were now she drive my pins up and the OnlyFans.
And OnlyFans, yeah.
Ingori yoti yatina wana washandise internet banking zvekudaro.
Yeah. Plus confidence. Do they have internet banking. It's internet thing.
That is one in Zimbabwe pachinzi kuwana normal online transactions or international transactions.
Yeah. Plus if our internet was also very, very strong.
I'm
telling you.
There is this apana mavesa apana kwataenda because tengo bibirese ingwe ne pens.
Isn't it pens obviously? Pens in apartment.
Because
because there's no zombolika chichigaiwa chisapa on the fence. Uzimagiva anocheka kati akuti ndatoona.
I will pay. If our economy was stable,
I'm telling you.
OnlyFans knows that. OnlyFans Americans. If we are given the chance, panapa.
Mzim.
Ujinsi, you've got the opportunity to make 100,000 a month.
But in the next 10 years, I think we'll go there.
To be too late.
You sure?
It will be too late.
Kunoya chimwe chiplatform chafani OnlyFans. Apashaizi muri chagadzira for Zim. But anyways, let's go.
sure I need 10 gigabytes. Sema nudes. Ted shiti akachila nasi ane flu. But STI red chido jestira moon. Wejira kefu pahunu. Kefu vakuru. Kulai pa makulayo. Mirai kuda skani nezisa uzone kana unayo. Kulai pa makulayo.
Mine's very beat dropping.
Hey.
Number doubt.
So I'm so scared in my so gentleman. So
Anonyepa.
Optical illusion.
Optical illusion.
But anyways, yeah. Yeah, pay right. Old Holy. Tangata msuwa Old Holy. Ush. Tata msuwa.
Yeah, so far this is a hit.
This is a hit.
Yeah.
This is a hit. Anyways, without wasting your time, guys, just comment down below what you think of the song.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we're talking about the next one.
Giddy.